Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking Machinery, and today, this Saturday morning in the shop, we're working on some drawers. Travis, our welder, has been building this really cool cabinet mixing metal and wood. Today, we're working on the drawers on the Maverick 4x8 CNC machine. Follow along, let's go get to work. Alright, with all the cutting done, let's go ahead and start assembling these drawer boxes. We're going to take the sides, slide them down. Okay. Back then goes in. Alright, there you have it. Great looking drawer. We got our dovetails. Everything is ready. Go ahead and get our drawer fronts on. Okay, with a quick bit of assembly, we've got a whole pile of drawers ready to go. Don't forget to like, comment, check out our website, legacywoodworking.com. If you have any questions, give us a phone call. It's 800-279-4570.